The secret letter. A young man found an old letter. It had no name. It had no address. But it changed his life forever. Rohan loved old books. One Sunday, he visited a small bookstore. The shop was quiet. Dust covered every shelf. He picked up a thick, old book. Something fell out. It was a yellow letter. The paper looked very old. The envelope was empty. The letter had only one sentence. Do not go to the old bridge at midnight. Rohan smiled. It is only a joke, he thought. He bought the book. That night, he could not stop thinking about the letter. His curiosity grew. At 11:45 p.m., he walked to the old bridge. The road was silent. Cold wind touched his face. The moon hid behind dark clouds. He reached the bridge. No one was there. He waited. Midnight came. Suddenly, he heard footsteps. Slow. Heavy. Someone was walking behind him. Rohan turned around. Nobody. His heart beat faster. Then he heard a loud splash. Something had fallen into the river. He looked over the bridge. Nothing. Only dark water. A soft voice whispered. You were warned. Rohan ran as fast as he could. He never looked back. The next morning, he returned with the police. They searched the bridge. Under one stone, they found another old letter. It was written 50 years ago. The letter said, if someone reads the first letter and still comes here, they will hear the secret. There was one more line. The bridge remembers everyone. The police looked at each other. No one understood the meaning. Rohan kept both letters. Years later, he showed them to a history teacher. The teacher became pale. He whispered. Many people disappeared near this bridge. No one solved the mystery. Rohan never visited the bridge again. But sometimes, late at night, he still hears slow footsteps outside his window. He never opens the door. Because he remembers the warning. And he knows. Some letters are never meant to be found. What do you think was waiting on the bridge? Tell your answer in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy English mystery stories.